Hey guys, so just here down at Mount Dandenong today. I am currently staying down this way for work. Figured it would just be easier to stay in the eastern suburbs today. And decided to come down and do the 1,000 steps down here at Mount Dandenong. So 1,000 steps is approximately about 40 minutes away from the Melbourne CBD. Short drive down Furniture Gully Road and a quick left towards the 1,000 steps. You can find it on your Google Maps. But so I'll just take you going up for a couple of laps. I've probably chosen the wrong day to do this. It's really hot, but I'll try to get some nice footage for you while I'm there. So they call it the 1,000 steps. It's not quite 1,000 steps. Probably about, I think it was 870 steps. I could count for you guys today, but I really don't think I could be bothered. I'll just Google it and let you guys know in the info below. But so I'm gonna hype lapse the first one, get up there, sit down for a few minutes, walk way back down to the bottom of the steps again, and head up for a second lap. So I just finished at the top, took a little break on the way while I was up there. Timed myself in at about 11:30. As I said, I didn't run because there are signs saying do not run, but yeah, so I just power walked it up. For anyone that kind of gets lost with timings when they're walking up here, there's a section where the steeps just start angling, and the steps start angling upwards. You're probably about 5-10 minutes away from, or a few minutes away from the top there, so just a little bit of an indication to know that the walk is almost over. Yeah, so just working my way down here at the moment, and about to do a second lap. Alright, so now I am at the Alfred Gardens. It was approximately about an 8-minute drive from the 1,000 steps. I was on Instagram and I was looking up some things to see, and there was a beautiful little cottage by a lake I'd really like to check out. So yeah, I've just arrived here. I'm making my way through, and there's a sign that said lake. So I guess I'm going for a walk at the moment. Hopefully I don't miss the sunset. We should be happening in about an hour's time. But yeah, good luck. finished my day here at Burkes Lookout. Got a tip from a friend. So instead of going to the place where everyone else goes, to Sky High, it's just a bit below it. Takes a little bit to find. There's a trailer that actually goes across it. If you park next to the power or the electricity tower, just make your way to the left a little bit, and then you'll come across a track which is on the right hand side, which will eventually open up to this gorgeous little place. Some nice little rocks and stuff where you can just hang out on, where nice and flat. Yeah, and just take some nice photos and whatnot, and just watch the sunset over Melbourne and the bay. So I hope you enjoyed my vlog today, and catch you next time.